So, we are in Mehmet Kebab.
Lezzet durak. Lezzet durak.
Lezzet durak. Hello.
Special.
This is a special guy.
Chicken kebab.
Yeah.
Meat kebab.
Meat kebab.
Adana kebab. You can get everything there and everything is delicious. And this guy is absolutely amazing.
Ah, okay, the meat is going there.
Oh.
Chili, yes? Chili? Sauce?
Turkish special sauce.
Turkish special sauce, okay.
İskender sauce.
Skender.
Hop.
I will just go around, okay?
Yeah.
Because that we see, that people can see how you make it.
Evet. And it's absolutely delicious.
Yes, very delicious.
Very delicious.
I used to make them in Australia in cans, but this is a lot better. Oops. You see how quick it is?
This is chicken.
The guy is so quick.
Bread.
Oh, gee.
Sup.
After 20 years, no question, huh?
No problem.
No problem.
Ah, check him. Special.
Fantastic. I mean, the taste is really great. We tried the kebab, we tried with rice, with salad and everything. Is really amazing. I mean, you know, I'm not sure if you can find something like that anyway, but certainly Mehmet is one of the guys who you would fall in love with.
Very clean. Very good shopping.
Very clean shop,
Mehmet.
everything ready.
Poyraz çatı biliyor musun? Poyraz. And like the tradition is in Turkey, we got tea.
Certainly you have iron and you have everything here. You can even hear, you see the menu, you know, so if you're interested in something, here is something, even his business card. You can call him if you're close to. I will just show you from the outside. It's a bit rainy, but anyway, you can see, you can find him. It's close to Ömür Hotel, you know, opposite of Amin and Sofram, and that's his shop. That's his shop.
And just that you know, we are in Akçay,
Akçay. Okay.
around 200 kilometers from Izmir.
Okay. So anyway, alla paket, you have it here. So you're more than welcome. Thank you very much, my dear lady. Thank you, Mehmet, and his friend who will take this to somebody.
Courier, paket.
Thank you.